Hi, my name is Sydney, and this is what I did to my face today. Hello. So, I'm gonna be Espeon, like the Pokemon guy that's purple. I just wanted to film it because I've been really lazy lately, so, yeah, just bear with me. Um, let's get it. So I put this Smashbox primer. It's a really good primer, just in my T-zone really, where my pores are larger. I just started using this NARS foundation in shade, how do they do it? How do YouTubers do it? Put it up on the back of my hand first. It's very watery, so it's weird, but I like to warm it up on the back of my hand. It's kind of like the NYX Cover Effect straps I've noticed. So I just put a little bit of that on here. I wore it to a wedding and it stayed like all day. I don't know why I'm wearing it today. I'm just going to a show, but whatever. It's for the makeup video. Mix it with the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. Okay, and then I'm gonna use, I was gonna say I was gonna use my Shape Tape, but I left that at my boyfriend's house, so I'm just gonna go over my highlighting areas with the foundation again, just under my eyes, on my forehead, in my chin. So to set my face, I'm gonna use the Ghost powder like I always do. I'm just gonna put it on a flat surface. Oh, sorry. Flat surface. And use my beauty blender that I was using. Just take a little bit and so once I do that, I just wipe it away. Didn't have my bronzer with me, so I'm just using some random bronzer that's all broken up. Not very important, just use any bronzer really. I use the Morphe one in Debutante, but I just use barely any and carve out my cheekbones. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I have this right here, soft brown, the Anastasia. Yeah, so next I'm gonna go and do some eyeshadow. This is a mirror. But I'm gonna do purple eyeshadow. I'm gonna make it kind of dramatic, and then I think I'm gonna do like purple right here. Just cause, I don't know, but I'm gonna use my, the NYX Ultimate Color Palette. But it's really cute, and it was like, I don't know, $16 or something like that. And use this light purple. So to blend out your eyeshadow, the trick is to use lighter pressure on your brush the further you go out. So I'm barely even touching my lid when I'm out here. But so I'm gonna use some of this darker one just on right here, just to give it some depth. I can feel my eye watering and I don't want it to. More of the lighter color, just to bring it down a little bit more, because we're being dramatic hoes tonight. So, and do like windshield wiper, like rainbow motions, and then like I said, just like get a lighter pressure when you go up. I realize that I'm really bad at explaining things on my videos, so I thought that I'd talk you guys through this a little better. Because a lot of people ask me, like, how do you smoke out your eyeshadow? How do you do a lot of these things? And it's just like, I don't realize that not a lot of people know how to do makeup, and I thought I'd explain and help out a little tiny bit. But I'm just gonna add a little bit of the excess under my nose, because I always do that. Maybe contour my nose with the rest of it. A little bit on the bridge of my nose. Okay. I'm gonna add, I don't even have my highlighter brush, so I'm gonna use this brush and I hope it'll work. That works. So I think I'm gonna wear this lipstick because it's like purpley kind of, but so is this one. I'm not sure. I think they're the same, but I like Tarte better. This is Tarte Lip Paint in Mauve. Okay, so Espeon has like a little red thing on the head, so I'm gonna try not to fuck this up, but here goes nothing. Should I use a powder? Hot. So I'm gonna try not to fuck this up, but no promises. There's like a white part for light, I guess, so... Sick. And then I think I'm gonna outline it in black and not fuck up. Hopefully. I'm gonna add more purple. So I don't know where my fucking eyelash glue is. I think it's in my car. So I'm gonna use the cheap ass one and hope that my lashes stay on. Stay tuned. Mission shitty eyelash glue. Success. So I'm just gonna blend them in with Lashtopia by Bare Mineral. I love it. I love it. I want some more of it. Gonna shut the fuck up now. Where the fuck did I put the lash glue? No! Oh, I found it. My life is falling apart. Whoa, second lash getting on. While that's drying, I'm gonna put on my costume, so BRB. Okay, so I have my thing on. Burp. This is the final look, I think. I'm pretty satisfied with this. So this is my final look. I'm gonna go do my hair, and then maybe I'll show a full body. It's just a onesie because I'm lazy and cold. If you like this video, please subscribe and share and tell your friends, and please as updated, follow me on Instagram, Geek, and that's about it. I'll try to post another video. I'm gonna try to do my my boyfriend does my voiceover video and edits my video. My boyfriend edits and does my voiceover video. That should be pretty funny. What should I do next? I overestimated myself. Hello.
Look, you can use this to get up.
Oh. Okay, wait. What does an Espeon make noise?